Pastor Bolaji Idowu of Harvesters International Christian Center (HICC) has shed more light on his recent encounter with the Nigerian police, claiming that he was not arrested but invited to assist the authorities in an investigation involving a church member. The cleric gave the explanation while addressing the congregation in a video, which surfaced on social media on Sunday morning, 8th of December 2024. Pastor Bolaji was reportedly arrested by operatives of the Force Criminal Investigation Department (FCID) in Abuja last Tuesday over an alleged real estate fraud and money laundering running into 1.5 billion naira. It was gathered that he was released on the same day, following significant interventions from Aso Rock Villa and influential religious leaders. He added that as much as people want him to give details, because the person involved have children and family members, he will allow the police to do their work. Pastor Idowu also used the medium to appreciate every church member who stood by him without knowing the details of the whole thing. He prayed that God will bless them. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.